In the early days of Islam, Khalid was an opponent of the Prophet Muhammad. He was known for his tactical prowess and fierce determination. He fought against the Muslims in several battles, showcasing his skills as a formidable warrior. He was a fierce adversary, feared and respected by many. Yet something about the Prophet's message resonated deeply with Khalid. He began to question his own beliefs. He saw the unwavering faith of the Muslims, their dedication to their cause. He witnessed their courage in the face of adversity, their unyielding spirit. After the Treaty of Hudaybiyah, Khalid decided to embrace Islam, marking a significant transformation in his life. This was a turning point in history, a moment that would change the course of many lives. The man who was once Islam's enemy became its champion, a beacon of strength and faith. The Prophet himself gave Khalid the title, Sayf Allah, the Sword of Allah, a testament to his newfound dedication. With his conversion, Khalid's military genius was now directed towards spreading the message of Islam, leading with both strategy and faith. He led the Muslim armies to victory in numerous battles, his leadership becoming legendary. His strategic brilliance and unwavering faith proved unstoppable, cementing his legacy in the annals of history. The Battle of Yarmouk in 636 AD is considered one of Khalid's greatest triumphs. This battle was a turning point in the history of the early Islamic conquests. Facing a much larger Byzantine army, Khalid's strategic brilliance shone through. He outmaneuvered his enemies with a series of clever tactics and maneuvers that left the Byzantine forces in disarray. The Muslim army, inspired by their faith and their leader, fought with unmatched ferocity. Their determination and unity were key factors in their success on the battlefield. The victory at Yarmouk opened the doors to Syria. This monumental win allowed the Muslim forces to advance further into Byzantine territory. From there, Khalid led the Muslim armies to conquer Damascus, Jerusalem, and other major cities. Each conquest was a testament to his leadership and the resilience of his troops. His military campaigns expanded the Islamic Empire, stretching its influence across vast regions. He spread the message of Islam throughout the region, ensuring that the new territories were not just conquered, but also integrated into the Islamic world. Khalid's victories weren't just about military might. His leadership was characterized by a deep sense of justice and fairness. He was known for his justice and his compassion. These qualities endeared him to both his soldiers and the people he conquered. He treated the conquered people with respect, ensuring that they were not oppressed under the new rule. He allowed them to practice their own religions, fostering an environment of tolerance and coexistence. His leadership earned him the respect of both Muslims and non-Muslims alike, making him a revered figure in history.